In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your HubSpot site. Adding custom fonts can significantly enhance the aesthetic of your site, helping it stand out and align with your brand's identity. Whether you want to use a Google font or have a specific custom font that fits your brand, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your HubSpot account. If you haven't signed up yet, no worries. It's a quick and easy process. Once you're logged in, we'll head over to the settings. You can find the settings gear icon in the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to the main settings menu where we can access several options for site customization and management. Next, within the settings menu, look for Account Management. This section helps you manage everything related to your HubSpot account, including users and permissions. Once you're in the account management area, we're going to focus on brand identity. This is where you can start customizing your site's look and feel according to your brand's unique characteristics. Under brand identity, you'll find the Brand Kit option. In this section, we can manage various brand elements, including colors and fonts. Now, we have a couple of options for adding fonts. If you're interested in adding some variety from Google Fonts, HubSpot makes this easy for you. Simply select Browse Google Fonts and explore a wide assortment of available fonts. Just pick the one that aligns with your vision, and it's ready to be applied to your site. Alternatively, if you have a specific font that is crucial to maintaining your brand identity, you can upload your own custom font. For this, choose the Upload Custom Font option. When you select this, HubSpot will prompt you to upload the font file from your computer. Supported formats typically include TTF and OTF, which are quite common. Make sure your font file is ready and easily accessible from your computer for this step. Once you've uploaded your font, you might want to customize how it's applied across your site. HubSpot allows you to adjust various aspects, like font weight and style, to match your exact branding needs. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is simple. Click Update. This will save your changes and apply the new font to your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom fonts to your HubSpot site. Remember, the key to a good design is consistency, so ensure that your font complements the overall style and tone of your brand. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this process, feel free to reach out for clarification.